Okay, I'm gonna do the gas pedal. The Pontiac. It's the one I ordered. Forget where I ordered it from. This cool little acrylic pad, because the actual arm just pokes through the fire. Well, there's a pivot on the firewall and it pushes on it. The old ones wear out. I think they had a little metal cup or something in them, but it's long gone out of the old gas pedal. And then it's broken down here at the hinge because it's got a hinge on either side instead of this piece folded straight across. Seems like it'll be a lot more stable, because mine's busted off one side, so it actually, the gas pedal when it's up like this, it'll rock off that bar and then fall over and get jammed in like that, or flop over this side, and that's just a pain in the ass. Driving me insane when I'm driving the car. So here, I'll go show you the old one. Show you the old one. Fingers on the road. Got the air freshener. Yeah, see? It's supposed to ride on that. See, it's broke. Flopped over. It's really stiff and weird. You get it back in place, and you push on it, it flops out, and then it goes down that way. All hard, dried out. Yeah, it's just got a little piece of tin there. A little dimple in it. Crap. Goes up. Like it should all line up. I'll give her a go. And there she is. And smooth. Doesn't want to flop side to side. Ah, many more years of driving pleasure. This one even got banana shaped. See where it broke? Get in here. Wore through. The replacement's identical, so should work well. All right.